Road Safety Audit 15 days Road Safety Certification course in association with Ministry of Road Transport and Highways and Indian Road Congress, presented by Pushkal Pratap. Introduction. Accident fatalities and casualties have been increasing dramatically over the last 20 years, about 40% growth rate over the last 2 decades, partly due to exponential growth of vehicles. The death rate per vehicle is 10 to 20 times higher in India as compared to the higher income countries like Sweden, Norway, Japan, Australia. It is much higher even when compared to the low income countries like Brazil, Mexico, and Malaysia. The main purpose of road safety audit as per IRC SP 88 2019 is to ensure that all new roads are operated very nicely. Therefore, road users reach their destination safely. The specific aims of road safety audit to minimize the risk of accidents or they're likely to occur. The outcome of road safety audit, the identification of any road safety deficiencies. Important considerations in a road safety audit: alignment consistency, cross sections consistency, width of hard shoulders, super elevation and extra widening, side slope and side drains, safety barrier and hazardous locations, footways, parking areas and service roads, layout and design of intersections, interchanges, grade separators, provision of truck laybys, bus bys and rest areas, road sign, pavement marking, other traffic control devices, roadside furniture, delineator, object hazard markers. So these are the codes that are primarily referred. Some more. Now the brief description of the project, where in this training we did a road safety audit. That the project road starts at the design change of National Highway 46 near Mubarakpur and terminates at design change near Biaura. So basically it was from Bhopal to Biaura road, that is in Madhya Pradesh. The total proposed length of the project section was 97.735 kilometers. So firstly we are doing road safety audit at design stage. Findings and recommendations. So there was this design that was provided to all the participants of this training, and from that they found out these safety concerns and recommendations. So safety concern in this is the high number of conflict points are there, increasing the risk of accident while merging and diverging. So we can see there were in this smaller photo there were no channelizing islands, and there were that is why there were higher chances of collisions. So the recommendation made in this is provide channelizing islands, road signs and markings as per IRC 35 2015, IRC 67 2012 and IRC SP 41 1994 respectively. So just like that, there is another safety concern, that too much deceleration length in the storage lane. The storage lanes are provided in the median, where some people want to change the direction in the 4-lane roads. So too much deceleration length is also a big safety concern. The recommendation is the sum of taper length, storage lane length and half median opening should not be greater than stopping side distance of the road, that is 92 meters. Now the safety concerns and audit findings. Median opening is more than the desired limit. The median opening should also not more than the desired limit, otherwise people start resting there. So the recommendation is the reduce to the opening up to 20 meters. In this one we saw that pedestrian crossing is not at proper place. Pedestrian crossing is not connecting refuge islands and thereby increasing the vulnerability of VRUs, that is vulnerable road users. Recommendation is road marking should be according to IRC 67/2012. Now, in the same way, these signs are not properly shown in this design and other type of these markings. Here we can see the issue is where visibility issues there. So the final visibility they have to give it according to IRC 67/2012. There are more findings and recommendations that you can see in this presentation. Some more findings. Now, findings in this cross section. Some more findings. You can refer to these findings and you can prepare your own design stage audit report. Most of the time the mistakes are same in the designs, and you can refer to this presentation. Now, road safety audit at existing stage. Since we know we need to do 4 different type of road safety audits. One is at design stage. After that we need to do it at existing stage, at construction stage, then at existing stage, and at night time. So this we are going to show you this road safety audit that we did in this training at existing stage. So same in the same fashion that we did earlier. First we have looked on site for the safety concerns, and we recommended what changes to be done to make our roads safer and what kind of codes that we can use. So again, IRC 67 and IRC 35/2015 for markings. Some more findings. Some more findings and new codes we have referred: IRC SP 41 and IRC SP 103/2012 for junction and channelizing islands. And again, is median, hazard markings, and all those markings you can refer IRC 67/2012. A few more recommendations, mostly, yeah, these are very basic and simple safety concerns, but they are very much important when it comes to the road safety of a road user, because any minor mistake can cause a fatal accident on road due to high speed of the road users and advanced road network. So we need to see minor details and recommendations. You can refer all these, a few more, so you can read them. Safety concern in this left upper corner, we can see no hazard marker on one side. So they recommended to use IRC 67/2012. In the left top side, we can see unwidened culvert at the joining minor road is creating a safety hazard. So there have to be a little bit widening at that point. Recommendation is such culvert should be rebuilt and widened. So these kind of safety issues are there that we can only see when we are at site and we have read all these road safety. We have done this road safety training properly and listened to all this PPDs of those experts. So now in the left bottom corner we can see a road safety concern, non-standard speed breakers, that we can see in the photo itself. So the recommendation is provide road marking according to IRC 35/2015. Again, so there are few more. Now we can see road safety audit during construction stage. So the site, this is a construction site where we can see no traffic diversion is provided where construction is going on, and also the traffic is running on the road and they have not provided any proper diversion, so they need to provide it according to ISO 67012. We can see unprotected foundation, and you also can see how vulnerable the traffic road users are at such condition. Now here again we can see safety concern, a few more safety concerns, few more, okay, a lot more safety concerns. So this PPT can help you. This PPT can help you prepare your own PPT. You need to go through all those safety concerns. Just pause the video and you can see it. Now, road safety audit at night time. So what are the issues we could identify at night time? Because road safety is a very wide topic and you can always learn. There is no limit to this knowledge. So this is not actually night time, but we can see we require lighting at this low level of natural light. So we have started our nighttime study from this point. We can see open construction site hazard and without any proper diversion or barricading, without any delineated barricading, which is a potential hazard at night time. Now there are a lot of safety concerns that you can see and read at this page. Valley at side of intersection, we can see there should not be such type of thing. Reflectivity of the board was poor, so they need to change these boards with time if the boards are losing their reflectivity because of anything, because of time, sunlight, or in the absence of hazard markings. Most of the issues are related to the visibility only, so you need to focus on how visible and how safe road you can make. Absence of red reflective and cat eyes on the road carriageways. There are a lot of safety concerns you can refer. Thank you.